tell you how I weep. I was a bad man on road, but to Jesus me weep. If my pillow could speak, it would tell you how I weep. Me have a big smile on road, but at night time me weep. Sometimes me no want to wake up.
Alright guys, so this is the packaging that the hair came into, and again it's from this hair is from Beauty Forever. I have 4 bundles and a closure, a frontal. So first I got those are the lashes that came in the pack, and they're actually really decent lashes, you guys. So I have 4 bundles. The longest is 26, the shortest is 24. So I have 124, 226 and a 28. So this is the frontal, and the frontal is a 20-inch frontal. As you can see, look at how shiny and nice the hair is. Just beautiful. See that? And it moves really, really nicely. So yeah, so this is the thread I'll be using. This is my weaving thread. I bought it at Vivian's Beauty Supply here in Port Morrison, Catherine, Port Pines Plaza. And I also bought the dome cap from them. For anything I need to make my wigs, I always go to Vivian's Beauty Supply, because they work with Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, and you guys know my rep of Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica. So now what I'm doing is I folded the cap and I'm sewing it so that it'll be smaller for my head, because I like when my wigs fit tight, because I do not use any wig combs in my wigs at all, or elastic band. I just use the dome cap as is, and I'm just sewing it so it would just be smaller for my head. So now I put on the wig cap on my mannequin head, and now I'm just putting over the frontal. You see how I'm putting the frontal a little bit further than the cap itself, probably an inch or half of an inch further than the cap itself. And look how far, this is how far my frontals come, all the way back there. If I had pulled it down a little bit further, it would have almost been a 360 on me. So now I'm just going to start by sewing it. So I'm going to tack on. I'm holding both ends with my fingers so nothing doesn't slip. So I'm tacking on this side first, and I push the needle through on my first go. Then when I go again, I wrap it around the needle 2 to 3 times. I never wrap it around just once, and I never wrap it, and I always wrap it over 3 times, so probably 2 to 4 times. I wrap it around 4 times, the thread on the needle 4 times, and if I'm just starting and I feel like I need a little bit more of an anchor, so I just go under, wrap the thread around the needle 2 to 4 times, and then I pull through. So this is what I always do. For this frontal though, I found myself, after I did it 2 to 4 times, about 3 times initially to start, to continue the rest of the frontal, I just wrap it around the needle twice. So just then I wrapped it around the needle 3 times. So now I'm going over to the other side, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Hopefully this is a better angle for you guys. So I already sewed it, so now I'm just going in and I'm tacking in everything. So pushing through the needle, and then I'm just going around 1, 2, and then I'm pulling through. This is what I did for the rest of the frontal, and also for my bundles as well. Now for my bundles though, I tend to go 3 times on my bundles because I want them to be secure. Sometimes when I'm sewing on, I actually miss going, because I double the wefts, and sometimes I miss the double weft and only sew 1 weft. So when I do it 3 to 4 times when I'm sewing the wefts, it just makes it a little bit more secure for me. So here I am at the top of the hair, and I'm just going to show you guys that I'm almost at the top. In front, behind me, facing the Jesus sign, is actually the bundles that I'm showing you guys that I'm actually flipping it over. I did not cut anything on this hair at all, and I'm just sewing. I leave about half of an inch, if that's what half of an inch is, space between when I'm sewing. I'm just pulling through. I always make my thread really, really long, you guys. And I'm just continuing the method right here. This angle for me is quite awkward, but trust and believe this is what I did. And how, in the direction that I put over the needle, the thread over the needle, doesn't matter. Whether I go behind the needle, in front of the needle, it doesn't matter. As long as it goes around the needle 3 to 4 times, I'm good to go. So here I am at the top. See, I have less space, and again, just going around 3 times here. And I just did this until I finish the wig. I really love this hair. The density is absolutely amazing. It looks really full, and I'm only wearing 2 bundles on the frontal. It sheds minimalistically, and it flat irons like a dream. I will do an updated review of this, but right now this is their Brazilian straight. I'm only doing 2 bundles on the frontal from BeautyForeverHair. Alright guys, so I'm done with the wig, and this is what it looks like. I haven't plucked it. It comes plucked pre-plucked, which is good for me. I haven't done any baby hairs or anything. I just did the frontal, which you guys saw, and just attached to the hair. So this is how long, but you guys can't see anything. It moves so nicely. It's the luster on it. I haven't put any product in this hair at all. That's how long it is. It's like past my bum hole. It's 28 inches. It is long. So as I said, I haven't put anything here. What I would typically do is put some got to be right here, and it will hold it down and it will just look like my scalp. But I'm not going to do that today because I have church, and I may just wear my like what do you call it now, like a head wrap. I may or may not, I'm not sure. But this is the wig, you guys. I love it. Frontal Beauty Forever. Oh, and I only used 2 bundles, only the 20 and the 26. So I still have the 24. I got 2 26s, so I still have the 24 and the 26. So I was trying it out, and I mean, it works. I don't like when my hair is this thin, but it works. It works, and I love it. Not my first time working with Beauty Forever. I love their hair. Beauty Forever, thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. Love it, gone to pieces. And yeah guys, that's basically it. So I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.